Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick and dirty video showing the finished parts of the Jack Pine Island. I have a couple other videos showing the step-by-steps of how I notch these out and all the components, but I thought I would just give you a quick video showing the different parts. So the first part is the skis, and I have two more just like this one, so there's three total, and I have them notched out on the ends and spaced out 16 on center all the way down. This is an 8-foot long 2x4, and I have three of them just like that, and I have them bolted with T-nuts and threaded rod sticking a little bit over the top of this 2x4. The next part is 7 2x4s exactly like this one, where I have holes, a 1/2-inch hole cut out on the end, an inch from the end, right in the center at 48 inches, and then another one an inch from the end here. All 1/2 inch. I have 7 2x4s just like this one, and they're interchangeable then, so you just put it like that on this ski, and then obviously you'll have a ski down here with the exact same concept there, and down here as well. And you do that then so that you can take a nut and you start it. I like to start it by hand and go all the way down the line, starting each one. And I come back with my drill with a 9/16 inch socket, and I just tighten them just enough that they're not going anywhere. I don't cinch them down too tight. And that will get your framing done for your skis, for your sled. And then the next step after that is I have this OSB here for the floor, and I just pre-drilled holes here that are spaced out exactly where the threaded rod with the nut is, right here, so that the OSB, when I put it on, will sit right over the top of that. The hole will be right there. Gotcha. It would be right there. Where that hole is will be sitting on top, so it doesn't slide back and forth, and the weight of my gear and me on it, I haven't had any issues with it kicking up and blowing away. And then I also have T-nuts that are here. I have them on the back side of the OSB here that I pre-drilled, and I have these usually screwed in when I store them, but that's where you put your ice anchors, where you usually put your ice anchors on your ice hub, where I'll have the grommet here, put it over the top, and I can start it with this bolt. And again, I don't go too crazy with it. I just go until it's tight, and that's where I keep my ice hub anchored down. But yeah, if you have any questions, I have those longer videos. I'll link them at the end, where I go through each step more detailed, but it's like 30 minutes combined, so I thought I would do a quick video showing how I put together design, so that hopefully a lot of people can enjoy the ease of using this on the hard water.